About a month ago, I made a new batch, my annual batch, of vanilla extract. This year, though, I've made a change. I have a new recipe, and here's why. The recipe that I normally use, here's a jar from last year. Now, as you can see, it's not really very dark, but it smells. It just smells divine. And it's very good vanilla extract, and I've been using it for quite some time. But if you have ever watched any of Martha Stewart's videos, cooking shows, then you know that she uses what she considers to be the best vanilla extract. Well, that's what I want to make. I want people that use my vanilla extract to say that is the best vanilla extract I've ever had. So I've tried a new recipe this year, and I've basically more or less doubled the number of vanilla beans that I put in. I think what I've been making, you only put 3 vanilla beans for 8 ounces of vodka. But this year, I used these bottles, which are closer to 5 ounces than 4. And so I have a total of, in this batch, of 10 ounces. And I used 8 vanilla beans. So, as you can see, the difference in last year's vanilla extract, which is this one, and this year's, how much darker the new batch. And it's only been a month since I made this, but it's much darker already, and it looks more robust. But now the smell, because it's only been made about a month, maybe a month and a half, it doesn't smell as much like vanilla extract. It's beginning to get the vanilla extract scent, but it smells more like the vodka at this point. But it's already darker, and I think it's really going to be the vanilla extract that I want to use. So this is what I did. I've already sterilized my bottles, so they're ready to go. It's not necessary to sterilize the bottle or jar or whatever the container that you're going to put the vanilla extract in. It won't be sealed, but I never put food in anything that hasn't been sterilized. There are a few exceptions, I suppose, but I try to sterilize everything that my food's going into. And I have a 1/5 of vodka here, which is actually made in Bogalusa, Louisiana, and it's made from sweet potatoes. So I thought I'd see how the vanilla extract turns out this year. So I'm going to do what I always do. I'm going to cut the vanilla beans in half, or roughly in half. And I'm just using the scissors. Now I'm going to take a knife and split the vanilla beans open lengthwise. And then spread them apart. I'm putting 8 halves of the vanilla beans into each 5-ounce jar. And then filling the jar up with vodka. and then wiping the jar rim and threads and adding the lids. These lids have a little insert so that we'll be able to shake the vanilla extract out. But they're all set now. I'll put them in the pantry or some other cool, dark place, and about once a week I'll shake them a few times. And then in about 2.5 to 3 months, they should be ready. And we'll see if these actually are better bottles of vanilla extract than what we've made before. So we'll be able to compare them. Thanks for stopping by.